Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A60 and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. Start of opening calendar application. And it must tap on day when we want to add our event. Firstly, maybe 30 of November, and there is plus icon. First step, add title of your event. There we can add emoji to our title and change color about our event notification, maybe on green. There we can set in which time event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all the event by switch on location of that. There we can access this event about what is it, about our house, work, or Gmail, what you need. There we can set notification about that in alarm, and you can add more than one and make custom notification. Repeat of that if we need it. Notes to this event, we can make video conference when event starts, add attachment and invite some people. After you set all you need, press save, and that's all, we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.